Welcome to the third video of the Fire System Builder how-to videos. In this video, we will show you how to set up a basic loop in the Fire System Builder. When you arrive on the loop settings page, the first step is to configure the required standby time, for example 24 hours, the required alarm time, and the cable type. Then you will have to choose the loop length and cable length running up to the first device. Finally, you will decide if you want to have a maximum loop current of 0.5 or 1.5, according to your selections. Next, a fire control panel is suggested, and devices can be added to the loop by using the slider for detectors, alarm devices, manual call points, modules, special detectors, and operation and indication devices. Let's add a detector. There is a basic selection criterion that can be used to filter the products when adding devices to the loop. In this case, we want to have a smoke detector with a base and loop contact. Select this one, and add 50 devices to your loop. Now you can see that the used capacity has increased, because part of the capacity is now used by the devices. Next, alarm devices can be added, and you can select between the type of mounting, wall or ceiling mounting, and also the type of base. Moreover, you will have to choose the type of alarm device: pure tone, voice, optical signal, or complete combined device. The LED color can be customized with the intensity of the sound and light. It is important to consider the power needed for the loop. Let's select a standard device with tone and voice, flame red without customization, and high sound level. Now we have one device, and 10 of these devices can be added to the project. Afterwards, manual call points can be added. Different attributes from operation to IP can be selected, and the way the call point is reset, as well as the color of the product can be chosen. We can select any of them, and we will select this one to add it to the project. Now, we realized that we need to add some more of them, so the quantity can be adjusted here. Modules can be added, and here we can filter by input and output. In this case, we would like to have 10 input devices. Additionally, we would like to add some special detectors, a linear beam, and some operation and indication devices. So, here I'll have some address indicators as well. The loop configuration has now been completed. If additional loops are needed, a new loop can be added and configured, or the current loop can be copied to create an additional loop to save time. If the loop is no longer needed, it can be deleted. The name of the loop can also be changed by clicking the pen symbol. This can be useful for assigning the loop. If the number of loops in the system is increased, the suggested panel will be changed. This is to ensure that you always have the right panel which supports the chosen loop configuration. If more loops are added, the panel will accordingly be adjusted, depending on the selection of loop power, number of loops, and number of devices.